Hi, in these tutorials, we will start to learn the basics of the SSRS and what this tool used for. Uh, the SSRS stands for SQL Server Reporting Services is a server-based report generating software system from Microsoft. It is part of a suite Microsoft SQL Server services include the SSAS and SIS. SAS stands for SQL Server Analysis Services and SIS SQL Server Integration Services. Um, Here where we will start to learn first, if you want, this is the page that's you will going to see whenever you are start to open the SSDT, which is a SQL Server data tool. And if you go here from the file new and go to the project, this what I was talking about the analysis services and integration services. The SIS, I already spoke about the SIS. Now we will go to talk about the reporting services. We have two options. We'll start with the first one. Let's see how to build a report using the report server project wizard. And the rest of our tutorials will be focused on the report server project, which is this is the most of the companies use this option. That's we handy create the data source and data sets and the other features of the reports. Let's go here and let me name my report. Let's call it fi final report. Let me call here project report. Final project report. And I believe I have a name already with this. Press OK. Say yes. We'll prompt to this welcome to the report wizard. Press OK. And here where it asks me to name a data source, which is I will going to create a data source that I will connect to my server. Go here, and here I need to provide the server name. If you want to do so, you can simply come here and say select at server name. This is to pull up the server name here. It's right here. Copy and paste it here. Here, when you need to select the database in a server, I will check this one, test it, it works, press OK. Now go to the next and design the query. Here where I need to build a query simple, I can write down my query directly from here, or you can use this query builder and you can write it down your query here by adding the tables, which is let me using this table add. So see guys, it's built or generated automatically, and if I want to test it, let me run it from here. Now it's run, and this is my table, and press OK. Go next. Here where it's asked me to select the report type, either like a table or like a matrix. Let me select a table. It's based on your needs. So this is where ask you to fill out your table, and I will going to select the flight ID. Based on the ID, each table will has the flight ID and the information that I'm looking for. I needed to group it by the flight, city, departure, and the details will be first it's the time and the rest. You can simply jump to the finish if you don't want to select like the choose the table layout, so like this if you want to as a blocks, or if you want it like back to the steps, if you want to include the subtotal, but I don't need to. And here it asks you to choose the table style. Press OK, and you can name if you have like a server report server provided here, and go to the next and go to finish. It will be generated for you. It's generated for you the data sets that's without the wizard that you need to create it here manually, and the same thing for the data source. See guys, this is my report. It's been generated. To view it, come here to preview, and let me see. This is a first report. This is the ID of the table, and here I have the flight city. Let me just like make it more wider and go to the preview. Now I have the city Dallas, Texas, and here it tells me the flight date and the flight destination LA and the on time. Here, if I go to the next report table, this is the report ID, this is the California, and this is how the reports being built. And this is how you can use the report wizard to build your report. And for next video or for all the upcoming videos, I'm going to use the other option. That's where you can use, we can handy build your report just like this, and you can this the option that I'm talking about, the report server project, which is this is the like almost all the companies they are using this report, since you have multiple options to build your uh, report, which is you're going to choose gauges, charts, matrices using report server manager. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and see you for next videos. Thank you.